come and let's catch some big fish on some of my favorite springtime baits at the beautiful Albuquerque Lake, New Mexico. Out here. Wait, let me do it.